So today, we're getting ready for the Chroma Music Festival happening sa Globe Circuit Grounds in Makati. So we're gonna get ready for that. Very ano lang to, simple makeup lang. I've never been to that type of festival, yung talagang sabuyan ng powder. So we're gonna check it out later on. The top I'm wearing is something that I don't really mind na madudumihan or mamamansyahan kasi pambahay ko lang naman siya. And then I tied it into, ayan, parang crop top style na siya. And then yung denim shorts ko, ito yung sinuot ko kasi I ruined this sa laundry na haluan ko siya ng red, so parang may mga mancha siya ng pink. So yun. And my hair color is now dark blue. Every time na mag-shampoo ko, sobrang dami talagang pigments na lumalabas, which is perfectly fine kasi when this fades, it's gonna turn into a really beautiful silver color. Kaya I'm excited to see that. Done!
Side to the side, to the front, to the back, everybody sing! No, you're not alone. I won't be one! Go away. I'll be there to say. Yeah. Official TV, the TV.ph. This is the Facebook account.
Vlog guys, so today we're here at Power Plant. So may bagong store si Clinique at the bagong wing ng Power Plant Mall. So excited! So we give you guys a tour of the area or of the new store. Super ganda tingnan. Look at this. And then sa gitna, meron silang parang makeup station. You can do your makeup over here. It's perfect! Hi! Ito na yung chubby wall. So, lahat ng chubby sticks nila, all the shades, nandito lahat. That's so cute! So, here, meron sila yung mga daily care. So, these are basically makeup removers. I haven't really tried yung mga cleansing wipes nila. Pero I remember nung nilaunch to, I think last year yata, hindi ko lang sure. Basta yung Pep Store, I remember that one. And then, Take a Day Off Cleansing Milk. I tried one of their naka-pink yun eh. Anyway, hindi ko mahalapin ko later on. So, more makeup removers. Tapos, dito yung mga anti-blemish. So, they have a lot of lines. Even for men, meron din sila. Right side of the store, puro makeup stuff. That's awesome. So, if you are a makeup junkie, you can check out a lot of different products from Clinique over on this side. We have mascaras, eyeshadows, lahat. Lip colors, lip creams, blushes. Ayan, so may guide sila dito. So yung vitamin C area, yung mga products din. This one, the aging solution. Moisturize. Then they have this area sa may labas, which is like a slanted table. Here you can, trending now products. More foundations over on this side. Ito naman yung latest na pinadala nila for parang bago siyang product. It's the Moisture Surge Intense Hydrator or Moisturizer. Moisture Surge. We also have the Overnight Mask and the Moisture Spray. So it's a whole set. Super cute. Meron silang flat lay area over here. Cutie! Meron silang bago daw na scent. It's called Clinique Happy in Blue. Oh my gosh.
Hi! I'm such a fan of Steve, so I have to tell her how much I love this product.
The food is by
Society Lounge, right?
Society Lounge. Oh my gosh. Everything looks good. Sarap ng food. No champagne. I met Aika. Hi Aika. She watches the vlogs.
Yes.
She's the supervisor here at Top Shop. Power Plant. Yay! Nice to meet you. May shout out ka ba, girl?
May sale! So, coming down to Power Plant.
Hanggang kailan?
Hanggang 22nd.
Bongga. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Today is also shopping day, so I'm gonna try out different outfits from Top Shop, and then after this we're gonna go to Zara. Dinner time! Kami sa Soban Grill sa Green bag. Kimmy! Hello! Joycey! Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So I know I haven't been vlogging the past couple of days. Medyo, ewan ko, nag-girl lang ako na parang short period na parang ayoko mag-vlog. Daming dumating na packages kahapon. So I'm gonna be opening them up today. And then I also went shopping sa Zara and Topshop. So I'm gonna be doing a haul video later on. And then we also have an event this afternoon for Beauty Bar. It's gonna be Coachella inspired or Coachella themed. So that's gonna be super fun. So I woke up early today and then nagwalis ako ng bahay and then I opened all the curtains kasi I wanted to let light in. So lahat din naka-open. Favorite spot ko talaga yung may mga plants talaga. And then, anyway, this plant over here, yung binili namin sa Cartimar. So, it started dying when I put it outside. So, anong nangyari? Namatay yung ibang dahon. So, ang ginawa ko, pinasok ko siya ulit. Kasi sabi ni Mo, indoor naman kasi daw to. So, pinasok ko siya. And look at this! Tumutubo na ulit. Ang galing, no? So, ito, mga bagong ano yan, mga bagong sprout. So, that's super cool. And then yung bike ko nakapark lang dyan. Of course, I have friends on Netflix. I got this from the mail kahapon. So this is from our friends from the workshop. If you know, we hang out there every Friday sa poblasyon yan. So thank you so much, Liana, Brian, and all the other people behind the workshop. Thank you. It's a mask card for my dad. Ayan. And if you didn't know, this is Papa. Lahat kami magkakapatid, meron kaming ganyan. And then yung ash ni Papa nasa loob. So, there. I got this package kahapon and this is probably one of the most exciting kasi look at this. And look at this. Grabe, sobrang napuno yung ref ng Magnum. Look at that. Tapos ko na pala basahin tong librong Why Men Love Bitches. So now I am on a hunt for the Why Men Marry Bitches. So I am reading a new book right now. So tapos na ako dyan. And then yung isang favorite ko as of the moment is this one. Grabe, all of you guys should have this one. The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. As in, sobrang ganda niya. Actually, medyo halfway na ako. Medyo. I love this. I got this from Fully Booked. Okay, medyo mahal kasi pag fully booked. 600, ano yan? 85. Siguro pag mahanap siya sa National, mas mura. I ordered some lunch, guys. So I ordered from Food Panda. My favorite right now is pho. Anything pho. And then itong tenderloin na to. We used to eat this nung bata pa kami. Nung nasa ano pa lang, branch pa lang ng SM Manila. Lagi namin in-order yan. So anyway, I just booked tickets to Coron and El Nido. So we're gonna be going as a last trip before I move leaves for US. So that's gonna be end of this month. Kailangan kong picturean to, guys. So padala ng Magnum. So it's the latest hazelnut Lux made with Belgian chocolate na tama ba? Bago ba to? I have yet to read the press kit. But yeah, isang buong box. Whoopsie. Thank you. Another package. Kakarating lang. And another one. Kakarating lang ulit. Ito naman galing sa Red Ribbon. So they sent over a chocolate roll, which is always a favorite talaga of anyone kasi it's a classic talaga. And then they sent over a shirt, Chocorolic from Celatec. So ano to, bagong anti-aging line nila. Control more and look ageless. I'm super in love with these new shoes that I got from Zara. I think ito na yung favorite brand ko for the shoes. This is actually my first pair, so I'm looking to buy more shoes from that brand. Ang ganda-ganda. So pretty. And my outfit for today is also from Zara. So it's a turn na siya. So top and then shorts. It's so cute! Here at I'm Hotel. So this is gonna be the venue for the beauty bar event. My flower crown table. Pero ang pinili ko is this one. Yung parang ginamit ko sa Malasimbo. So cute! Thank you! Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Chance, acid rapper, soccer hat. Take that from feet, 3 feet. So accident, you're cruising on that LSD. My jam is my jam. Niggas, please be focused. That mean you know this. You rap the home with something.
Bar. Wow.
Naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby.
session without limits. I'll have the link in the information box. Thank you! Sa baba, you can go up and look at the view. Oh my gosh. Finally home, guys. So, nag-tidy up lang ako ng makeup room. Because tomorrow is filming day, so medyo maayos na. And then tonight, we're gonna have dinner with friends. I was supposed to wear the same outfit kanina, pero sabi ko parang papalit lang ako. So, I'm wearing this romper. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya galing, pero ang super cute niya. This is what I wore to the John Legend concert when we watched John Legend. Ayan. Super cute! Hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo that I got myself a blazer from Mango, but this is from an event. Yung event ni Heart Evangelista, if you watched my Instagram story. So this is from Mango. Ang ganda niya. It's a classic red blazer. Sobrang bongga. Oh, and then naayos na pala to, yung rod. Pumunta mismo yung furniture stores and then they screwed it on. So hopefully, mas matibay na siya, sana. So each jade or each bead, meron siyang kahulugan. And then this one naman is a bracelet that Mo gave me. Yay! Ito yung bag ko for tonight. So cute! Here at Smoke Yard having dinner. So we ordered yung platter for 4. Yummy! Yun yun. We're at the workshop! We're checking out a new spot. It's called Agimat. Ang ganda oh. Pag sa loob may puno talaga. Grabe, balleted tea daw yan. That's it for the vlog today. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Salcedo Market. We haven't gone back there for a while. Medyo matagal na. So we're gonna go and we're gonna eat good food. Anyway, that's it for the vlog today. Tulog na si Mo. I'm gonna be editing the video na and then upload na ako kasi ang tagal ko na walang video. Anyway, that's it for the video. Bye!